If I get Twilight Sparkle and Rarity, that means I'm gonna get BTS concert tickets. That's the connection. There's no connection. I'm just saying things. I also got this, by the way. This is the Kuromi Skullpanda. So cute. Let's open these two. We're hoping for Twilight Sparkle and Rarity. So, yay. So I want this girl and this girl. Okay. Why am I like closing my eyes? It's not like I'm gonna see anything. Okay. Oh, so cute. Let's open it. Who is this? Who is this? Who is she? Twilight Sparkle! So cute. Oh wow, she's so cute. Wait, what the heck? Pretty. Wow, they're much prettier in person than like when I see them online. Oh my gosh, look at her. One more and we want it to be Rarity, okay? Okay. Oh, the card! Wait, I forgot to show the card. This is the card. Who are you? Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's Rarity! Oh, she's so pretty. Wait, I love her. She's giving soft girl vibes. Whoa. They're so cute. Yo, okay. Yay. So cute. Yay. Bye.